What up, TT? We are done with the first stage of the clean up and clean out. I wanted you to see what we did, so that way you know what stages we got, what we got working with. Kept out the things that you wanted. I'm gonna step in here. Cleaned out the bathroom area. Cleaned out this room. And we cleaned out this one. Man, I didn't close this door. I think I gotta get a screwdriver. Yeah, I gotta get a screwdriver. Well, it'll go around the other side. So you can see this. We cleaned out the kitchen. The den area. Spare bathroom. And this goes into that room, so you can see it. Cleaned out this room. So the first stage of the clean up and clean out is officially done. Now we'll come through, and she's gonna come through and do a little clean up, and then we'll have some people come in to assess the damages and where we need to start first and what we need to address. But we got everything done and turned out well. Hold on.